Hi, this is Ricardo Daniel Hernandez with Merced Window Cleaning, and today we are doing a roof cleaning job. Uh, so here is an asphalt shingle roof, and we are gently removing the moss that is between the shingles. As you can see here, it comes very easy. So what I'm doing is just going by sections, and then just like that. That way we can continue with the treatment. But for now, it's just removing all the debris and then picking up from the gutters. And the is very straightforward. It's the soft wash. So here, as you can see, there is a lot of moss we removed from the roof. And but the reason why you want to clean a roof from moss is because the moss can the growth of the moss can lift the asphalt shingles and then potentially get water underneath the the shingles, which is not good. Uh, that's why you want to keep your roof clean. So after we remove the moss, clean the gutters, we're just picking up um, some of the moss and debris that fell from the roof, and then putting a bag on the downspouts and watering those plants to protect them from the application of soap that we're going to do. This downspout as well, so we capture all the detergent that we are going to use. Okay, so now we are applying the soft wash treatment on the north side of the asphalt shingle roof. As you can see, it's already reacting to any organism that is in the asphalt shingles. It's right now killing the moss as it's touching it. It's also treating this lichen that is in here. Lichen is more common on the tile, concrete tile roofs. But here I'm just generously applying the soft wash solution from top to bottom. And this is not much pressure. It's, it's under 1,000 psi, and it's almost like the pressure you get from a garden hose. But it's been the soft wash solution is being diluted in our pump, and it's just the amount of detergent that can kill the moss, algae, mildew, and other organisms living here on the surface of the roof. All right, so we are done treating the north side of the asphalt shingle roof. Uh, as you can see on this side where I started, the moss now turns white. That means the moss is already dead, and it will dry and fall in the next couple of weeks. And that's just a way to ensure like there is nothing left behind after removing the moss. Um, you see some small particles of moss fell but it's also already white or turning white. This is the last part I did. So yeah, if you have any questions about our roof cleaning soft wash method, just send us an email or a message. Our phone number is 209 500 9441. Thank you.